For the public transport trip count tool, you'll need a polygon layer representing your area of interest. For a detailed guide on adding layers and filtering out areas, please watch our adding a layer and filtering videos. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then pick PT Trip Count. Set the desired day and time window for the analysis. Then choose the layer which represents the area where you want to calculate the indicator and press Run. In an area this size, the calculation should only take a couple of seconds. This indicator shows the average number of public transport departures per hour from a stop. You can hide the layers on the left side panel. If you click on a station, you'll see the average number of hourly trips across all modes, or for each individual mode. On this map, the higher the trip count, the darker the point. On the right side panel at Layer Design, you can personalize the selected layer's style. This result layer is styled based on the total trip count attribute. The layer's legends can be seen on the left side panel at Legends section.